If you're a Roblox enthusiast, eager to enhance your gaming experience, you have come to the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to download and install the latest version 6.52 of Delta Executor on your iPhone. No jailbreak required. Delta Executor is a leading Roblox executor for iOS, enabling you to run scripts that elevate your gameplay. The updated version offers superior performance, greater stability, and an expanded library of scripts. Before we begin, ensure your device is ready. Your iPhone must run iOS 15, 16, 17, or 18. Start by clearing your Safari browser history and website data via settings to avoid potential errors. Next, delete any older versions of Delta Executor from your device. Then open Safari, click on the download link provided in the description, and tap to download the latest Delta Executor IPA file. Once the file is downloaded, install it on your iPhone using tools like Ain, Scarlet, Feather Signer, or Tide Bloodly. In this tutorial, I'll use Ain to complete the installation. That's it. Delta Executor version 6.52 is now installed, giving you everything you need to customize your Roblox experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates. Drop a comment if you have questions or script recommendations. Happy scripting, and enjoy your enhanced Roblox gameplay.